is Secret, and I'll be reading Brand New Car from my book, Memoirs to My Father, a collection of poetry. Brand new car. Fit for your approval, this brand new car had it made, waiting for its owner to claim its rights and rev it up to its taste. Excited, you could hardly wait as you stuck your key into the ignition, appalled by the shocking rev of this brand new baby. She couldn't take it. It didn't just fit right in, for it was jammed at the start with the thrust, thrust, thrust of your strokes. But amidst the curdling screams of your baby, you were determined to start, 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 lying to yourself, wanting you and this car to be. Baby, 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 just please work for me. Trying to shove the key in the ignition, shooting blanks so my future won't look as bleak, wondering if your fuel could rev up my tune as steam suffocates the window pane, leaving prints to allocate. Stop, stop, please, this is working for you, not for me. With disappointment and despair, you pulled your key from the ignition as you sigh and realize that you were hurting this brand new baby. Realizing she couldn't handle your excitement, wasn't ready for you at this moment. You walked away, still holding dreams for you and I, as I cried with plausible sighs, thinking I was that brand new car.